Have you ever come across someone that you instantly found attractive, sexy, and really likable? Believe it or not, guys, this is no accident. It's a skill that you can learn, and I can teach you this in 5 minutes. Ninh explains 10 ways to be instantly attractive. Now, we've all felt unattractive at some point. I know that for sure, given that I don't generally attract too much attention from the opposite sex.
I'm kind of funny looking.
Okay, probably not like that. But most of the time when we think we're unattractive, it's all in our heads. There's nobody physically saying that to us. The only person that's generally saying that to ourselves is us. Now, I'm going to show you 10 tips in order for you to feel attractive instantly. Feel more attractive, be more attractive. And this doesn't involve buying expensive clothes, wearing excessive amounts of makeup, or using that push-up bra that you save on special occasions. Right, go on then. How do I become attractive? Number 1, smile. If you smile, the whole world smiles with you. People who smile are generally more attractive, as it shows that they're approachable, that they're kind, and that they're happy. Take a look at these two. Notice the difference? Number 2, be positive. Nobody likes a negative person who whines and complains all the time. Have a sunny disposition and be optimistic about things. Once you start doing that, it'll reflect on your overall personality and also in your body language. Number 3, eye contact. Look them in the eye when you're talking to them. It shows that you're interested in them and it forces them to kind of look at you back. Don't overdo it, obviously, as nobody likes that psycho stare dude. Occasionally, just glance away, and when you look back, make sure that your eyes are fixed on theirs. Number 4, be passionate. Show off your character. Be enthusiastic about things. People who are passionate are inherently more interesting people, and interesting people are more attractive. And once again, guys, don't overdo it. Woohoo! Everything's awesome! Yeah! Number 5, have a sense of humor. Funny people are attractive because they don't take themselves too seriously. Making people laugh and feel good about themselves is one surefire way of being more attractive. But don't poke fun at other people, because that's not being funny, that's just you being a twat. Number 6, compliments. People who like people are generally like themselves. Especially if you like something about their personality, or something about them, something that they're wearing, etc. Let them know about it. Chances are they'll actually like you for it. Random side note, I absolutely love Anna Kendrick's personality. I think she's absolutely hilarious. Number 7, listen. People hate being ignored, and we're all guilty of interrupting somebody and trying to say our piece first. But just take a second to actually listen to them, and you'll become attractive from that because it shows that you're actually paying attention to them. Be attentive here, as this is how a good conversation starts. Number 8, kindness. You know what, guys? Sometimes it's nice just to be nice. Demonstrate that to people. Show people that you're willing to help out your fellow man or woman with no reason whatsoever. It demonstrates good character, which is really attractive. Number 9, integrity. Guys, be honest. Nobody likes a liar. Do the right thing and show that you're honest. It goes a long way to being attractive. It also demonstrates good character. Why? Because they'll start trusting you, and trustworthy people are attractive. The most important of all, number 10, self-confidence. People who are absolutely sure of themselves are infinitely more attractive than people who doubt and second-guess themselves all the time. Without self-confidence, none of the other stuff that I mentioned actually works. With self-confidence, everything works. Now, if you're struggling for self-confidence, I'm furiously making videos on how to increase self-confidence, but it's taking a while, so bear with me a sec, guys. If you like this video, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. It takes me ages to make one of these things, and good karma is very much appreciated. Be sure to download my free ebook right here, and be sure to follow me on social media right there. But on a closing note, guys, try it out for the next week. Try it out on complete strangers. Go to a coffee shop, try it out. I guarantee that if you try this out, you're going to enjoy the results. Let me know how you get on, comment section below. If you like this video, please be sure. If you like this video, please be. I can't get my words out today. Yeah! Can you imagine if I was actually like that? I mean, geez, that's exhausting. I wonder what would happen if Anna Kendrick was to actually watch this video. Anna, if you're watching,